Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pipedrive to QuickBooks Online for invoicing workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. In a new browser tab, open QuickBooks Online and log in. Navigate to the Pipedrive app marketplace. Search for the QuickBooks Online integration option. Click on the integration to open its details page. Select the Connect button to initiate the integration process. You'll be prompted to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your QuickBooks Online credentials and sign in. Authorize Pipedrive to access your QuickBooks account. Review the permissions and click Authorize. Once authorized, you'll return to the Pipedrive integration setup page. Here, you can configure your settings for invoicing. Select the specific pipeline in Pipedrive you want to integrate. Choose the QuickBooks account and the invoice preferences you wish to set. Map the fields from Pipedrive to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. This includes customer names, addresses, and item descriptions. Review your mappings to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click on Save Settings to confirm your configurations. Now, create a deal in Pipedrive to test the integration. Fill in the necessary details for the deal. Proceed to the invoice section in Pipedrive for that deal. Select Create Invoice to generate an invoice based on the deal. Verify that the invoice data is being transferred to QuickBooks Online. Check QuickBooks Online to confirm the invoice appears as expected. If everything is set correctly, your integration is now live. You can continue to refine your workflows as needed. Regularly check for updates in both Pipedrive and QuickBooks for new features. Engage with support if you encounter any issues during the process. Enjoy streamlined invoicing workflows between Pipedrive and QuickBooks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.